What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video of Jet. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the 3-day blender challenge. As I'm sure you've seen on YouTube this challenge. Anyways, yeah. So I'm doing a Q&A video Friday the 20th of September, and I need some more questions. So if you would, please go down to the comments and put a couple questions in there. It really helps me a lot, and you will be in the video. I will try to fit as many as I can into the video, but yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the 3-day challenge. Okay, this is day 1. I just looked up on YouTube a simple tutorial on how to make a tree, and I just made a little asset pack. Anyways, I lost a lot of the footage, but here is the map. I think I did pretty good for day 1, but yeah, let's get right into day 2. Okay, these, I did a little bit more work. I did about 2 hours on these, and yeah. I also did look up another YouTube tutorial just for the sake of it, because I had no idea how to do it, but anyways. This is me just kind of messing around with trying to make a good tree. It's kind of frustrating when you don't know what you're doing. There's my tree done. Now I'm working on a block of terrain to go around the map. It's very, very basic. Anyways, yeah. Now I'm working on a rock. Just kind of messed around until I got the shape that I wanted. And I think I got pretty decent rocks. I made 2-3 variations. But yeah. Here I'm making a grass piece to spread around the map for some variation. Yeah. Anyways, I know this video is full of time lapses, but this is what y'all wanted in the community tab. Also, I post once to twice a week in the community tab, and it would be very, very helpful if you were in it. Here is day 2 map. It took around 2 hours to make. Pretty good, I guess. Anyways, I did lose a lot of footage, but here is the map. It took me around 5 hours, not even gonna lie. It took forever just to make this. I know it's still missing stuff, but day 3 ran out because I was really, really busy. I just gotta fix this right here. It looks bad. Anyways, yep, here's the map. So let's compare them. Here's day 1, just like that. I did pretty good for day 1, I guess. And here is day 2. Yeah, I guess it's okay. Took around 2 hours for that. And then day 3. I'm very, very sad that I lost all my footage from it. But yeah, here's a good angle right here. I know I could have done more detail, but day 3 ran out. Anyways, yeah. This map is actually like huge, and I grabbed a reference off of Google for some reference. I think I did pretty good for this day 3 challenge. Anyways, this is gonna be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps me out, and I want to hit 100 subscribers by the end of the year. It would be much appreciated if you could subscribe. Anyways, peace out.